Meet the all-new 2026 NIO ES6 Super Premium, where electric performance meets luxurious innovation. Exterior, sweeping styling shots, the ES6 design is sleek and progressive. Lower, wider, and sportier than before, it showcases NIO's refined spindle-like front fascia, slender LED DRLs, and 20 to 21-inch aerodynamic wheels, upgraded for that perfect balance of elegance and efficiency. 2026 NIO ES6 interior, tech-forward and refined cabin. Inside, it's a second living room. The 14-inch horizontal AMOLED touchscreen dominates the cockpit, supported by a widescreen HUD and rear-view mirror display. NIO Mate 3.0, the AI assistant, brings personality with its expressive animations. Comfort, ultra-luxe seats and space. Seats are throne-like, 9 to 11 layers, zero-gravity recline mode, heated, ventilated, and even massage-enabled in front and rear. Rear headroom is now 75 mm more, while flexibility stretches cargo up to 1,430 liters. 2026 NIO ES6 powertrain and performance. Dual motors push around 360 kilowatts, approximately 482 horsepower, delivering 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Drivers gain full-time AWD, intelligent air suspension with ultra-fast damping response, and ultralight aluminum/carbon body structure. The 2026 NIO ES6 range and battery innovation. Choose from 75 kWh or 100 kWh batteries, or opt for the 150 kWh ultra-long range pack for an astonishing CLTC range up to 935 kilometers. NIO's unique battery-as-a-service model and power swap stations add fast, flexible charging convenience. The safety and autonomous tech, leading-edge safety powered by the Aquila Super Sensing Suite, 33 sensors including LiDAR, 1016 tops from NIO's in-house Shindy/Aquila stack, and Navigate on Pilot Plus for advanced assisted driving. Rear collision mitigation and smart roadside pullover bolster passenger protection. The 2026 NIO ES6 Super Premium isn't just another EV, it's a benchmark for intelligent, premium electric mobility.